Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at a curbside deals for Walgreens for the week of the 21st to the 27th. You are using the app, ordering this stuff for a curbside pickup. You are hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check for this pickup and paying for your stuff driving the store, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup, using discount codes and other little pieces of magic. A smidge cheaper than buying stuff in store, and a lot of you prefer to shop this way. So that is today's video. It's all about curbside pickup. Alternatively, if you are into register rewards, which are those paper coupons, and being in store, yesterday's video I have various matchups for the best deals of the week. I will link this video at the very end if you wish to watch it, and a lot of very reasonable deals. So loving that, and it'll be linked at the very end. Before we hop into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness, Little Miss Coupon Cat would love it if you could either hype or give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And as we are in the fall months, she's getting rather cozy in that big blanket. Okay, let's get into deal number one. Okay, so for deal number one, we're going to be grabbing one of these Poise liners for $5.29. Now, if you look, see how it says 5 off of 1? That's a very high value coupon. Loaded, it would make this 29 cents for these Poise. Yep. And we're also going to grab 3 of these waters. It's just a mismatch of some really good deals this week. So that's what we're going for. And then we're going to grab 2 bags of these M&M's milk chocolate candies. If you wanted the peanuts or no peanuts, they have various flavors. They're $1 each. Chocolate's gotten really expensive all of a sudden. So looking at the overall basket, you have your Poise coupon melting off along with the code WAG10 taking $1.13 off. I know a lot of Android users, the app wasn't working whatsoever yesterday. So maybe log out, log back in, or reinstall the app. Apple users, no problem though, so I don't know if they were doing an update for Android. The overall total for this basket is $16.28. WAG10 taking $1.13 off. No tax for this in Michigan, $5 manufacturer coming off. The total here is $10.15. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it. Pay 15 cents for 3 cases of water, 2 bags of candy, and some Depends liners, which are really fantastic. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2, and we're going to need this friend loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 10. I already used mine yesterday, and I only got this on one of my accounts, so I can't actually show you the numbers reconciled, other than this will work curbside as well. This is also of a one-time use, this booster, and not everybody got it. So I'm thinking that if you didn't get it this time, the next time you're probably going to get it. So, and my husband's card got them, but my card didn't. So it is what it is. For this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of the Secret Whole Body deodorants at buy one, get one 50% off at $13.99. And we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. I remember last summer those were like $11, so the fact that they're $4 more, I'm taking note of that. So just to show you, the 7 off is coming off there. I could not get WAG10 to apply. Maybe you'll have better luck than I, but I could not get it to apply. So just to show you guys, the overall total for this is $20.98, $7 melting off, so $15.24. You're going to get back $3 of Walgreens cash for buying 2 of these. Now, alternatively, if you might have that $10, you would get back $13. You'd have to pay the balance, though, with your debit card. And then ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, so you can get this for IBOTTA, and you'll get an additional $2 back. So pairing it with that $10 booster, the 3 back when you buy 2 in IBOTTA, it'll make 2 of the Secret Whole Body sprays completely free. So I would definitely try and make this work, because deodorant, for whatever reason, very expensive. And if you want to go on the Walmart app, Kroger app, Meijer app, just start looking at some deodorants. You'll be really surprised, because I was really surprised at Meijer next week. I think the Axe spray is almost $17 for 2, which is like, wow. Deal number 3. This one, if you're trying to butt out, a lot of the Nicorette products specifically are on clearance. In store, it might be even a little bit cheaper, but you can use a discount code Curbside. So 100 count for $48.99. That's not bad, and that is for the gum. I think it's usually like close to $75 sometimes at some stores. We have a $15 coming off for that. Using the code WELL20, that's $6.80. You can't get that in store, so that's why Curbside's a bit advantageous for this. And plus our $15. So it brings it down to $29.72. Use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $1 or pay $9.72. If you do not have the booster, if you have the 10-back booster, pay this with your debit card. It's like you're going to be getting this for $19.72, which is a fantastic deal. Moving it along to deal number 4. For this one, just you heard me complaining about the Axe deodorant, and yeah, if you want to look into the Meijer preview for next week, the flyer, this is one product it's really jumping in price. $7.29 for the 2, so it's $10.93 with a $7.50 off a 2 digital coupon. I really think it has to do with the can, the packaging, and that's why the price is like very expensive. The next item we're going to grab is 2 of the Chips Ahoy or Oreos, and they are 2 for $10 this week. We have a $1 off 2 store coupon, so make sure you have that one loaded. Our course line of coupons, we have the $1 off 2 for Nabisco, our Axe spray, and then using that magic of WAG10, an additional $1.24 off. The overall total for this basket is $20.93, WAG10 $7.50, so the total here is $11.83. If you have that 10 back when you spend 10, obviously use your debit card for the balance and you're going to get $10 back. If not, use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.83, and call this a really good basket for 4 products. The final deal that we're looking at, for this one, you absolutely need this. So if you haven't used it and you've been kind of on the fence of what am I going to use this for, this is a really smart deal to get some really inexpensive Tide. So make sure you have this guy loaded. And you're going to search for one of these really large Tides. This is the 105 ouncer for $15.99. The original price is almost $22. We have a $4 digital coupon attaching to this, friend, so make sure you load it. The coupons are always itemized right below the product, and you'll just press that plus sign to load the coupon. Throwing one of those into a basket and also using the code WAG10, you're getting an additional $1.20 off. That's what makes this so great to do this as a curbside pickup for these laundry products when you can get like $1.20 off, especially if you like these larger bottles of Tide. $15.99, WAG10 taking $1.20 off, $4 manufacturer. So if you have that booster, 10 back when you spend 10, pay that $11.68 with your debit card. You're getting back 10. You're basically paying tax for this after everything is said and done. And what a fantastic deal for this large Tide. In case you missed it, yesterday's video in store is linked right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.